Hello everyone, this is Sandy. Today I would like to introduce our 3M cup mask machine. The speed is 10 to 15 pieces per minute. First of all, I would like to show you the sample effect. I'm wearing it and you can see the effect. It's a handband tap. Okay, I will introduce details by using this cup mask. And it looks like a 3M cup mask. We can see this is the original version, this is our version. And we can see the difference. The 3M uses this kind of welding, and we are using this welding. So if customer need, we also can change to do this design as well. So, and this the nose pin. This is the aluminum nose pin. It's mainly to make sure the cup shape will be like this. And here is the nose sponge. This is for you to make you more comfortable when you wearing it. And this is our handband. The length of the handband is customizable. Let's test the stretch. So it's very firmly. It can meet our daily use standard. So that's all for the mask introduction. Next, we will go to our mask machine introduction. So first of all, let's take a look at our machine from the whole appearance. And this is the 3M cup mask machine with a safety cover. And this machine is quite complicated. So as usual, I will start my introduction from the fitting area part. The whole machine total have 3 sections. This is the front section. That is the front section. This is the middle section, and the blue color one is the back section. So I will start from here. So for cup mask machine, we have total 2 sides of fabric rag. First, I will start from this side, which is my left side. I will start my introduction from this side here. Here is most important. We put 3 layers of fabric here, 2 melt-blown fabric and 1 low-woven fabric. This is the material reel. Here have 3 reels, and each reel have a sensor. Then you will go inside from this yellow gap roller. First it comes to the folding part. So this part, it will fold the fabric in half here. And then it will go to the next gap roller. Here is the cutter. Here is the cutter of the fabric. This is meant to fold it in shape. We can see here is a flat shape. But comes to here is a braid shape. So this cutter is our customized shape. And if you want to adjust these 2 parts, you have to adjust it by these 2 handrails. And here we can see this is the grip. This is the cutter, and this is to cut the fabric in a single part. This is a kind of clip. You will clip the fabric here, then make the edge to fold outer. Then the cutter will cut it off. So basically, next, the manipulator, this part will comes to clip these 2 sides of edge, then transport to that 2-channel location. You can see is the hold on the clip of the manipulator. So this is the introduction of this side. Next, I will go to the other side. And this is the right side of the material rack. We have 2 channels here, so that means we have to put the needle punched cotton a row for each side. There got 1, here got 1, so that means here can do 2 channels. The material will go inside from here. The side is the same. And next, after the fabric goes in, we can see the first part of the 3N mask machine. This is the mask mold of the cup shape. It's very high temperature. It's meant to form the cotton in cup shape. This cotton is very easy to form, and it was stable in the shape. So that's why we use needle punched cotton. Then next, we can see here. Next, it covered with something, right? Next, it will covered with the fabric that is transported from that side. Okay, this cannot be seen. So this is the transport from here, from this part. It will cover on the cup of the mask shape. Then this is the welding spot. It will be make the fabric on this location firmly. It will not easily move. So it will weld a dot. This uses ultrasonic with 28K 800 watts. So each set, that set is the same. And move to next process. And this part is our edge sealing. So here is the edge sealing. That side is the same, but we cannot easily to see that side. So this uses 2 ultrasonic for each side with 15K 4200 watts. After the edge sealing process is done, it will transport to the black part. This part is meant to cut the excess edge of the mask. We can see have 2. That side is the same. So after it is finished, it can take the this cup shape mask is almost finished in half. Then next, we can see here this manipulator will automatically come here. Then it will transport this mask to that location. So next, I will proceed with the next. So the finished mask, cup mask will be transported to here. Then this clip will clip it. You can see automatically. Then we can see here, this is the first aluminum nose pin installation. Closely, this is the aluminum nose pin. It will be attached on the mask. Then next step, here, this part is meant to to push the nose pin to make sure it can be firmly attached on the mask. So I will show you the example. Let's say the first step of the nose pin is only the middle part. Then the second push of the nose pin is meant to push the edge side of the nose pin. So after this process is done, the mask will be transported to the welding station. This is the hand side welding station, and it's a handband tab. So basically, that side is to weld the handband of the top side, and this side is weld the handband of the below part. We can see here have 4 welding head. Each welding head use ultrasonic width. So each welding head use ultrasonic with 28K 800 watts. This is the sensor. If it detects here has mask, it will weld the welding head will comes to weld the handband. If it cannot detect the mask, it will automatically not comes to weld the handband. So this set is the same. And here, this device is meant to put the ear loop. Here you use a motor to put it. And after the handbag welding is done, we will transport to this location. Next, we are going to our back part of the CM cup mask machine. I will show you from another side. Here, we can see here is the finished mask, cup mask. It will be put here. The manipulator will be transported to put here. Then this, actually this will press it to make sure it will not move. Then these two, this is also kind of a manipulator, but it will come down to clip this mask from this location. Then it will comes to here, and we can see here is our nose sponge. And when it transport to here, then it will turn like this, turn inside, then put here. Then this part will come to install the nose sponge inside. Then after this process done, this manipulator will come to here as well. Then it will to turn the mask. Then will come to the middle side. Then this manipulator will come to the middle side as well. Then it will transport this mask to here. All the processment are done. Then here should be have a conveyor belt to make finish the mask to go down. So that's all the processes of the cup mask. Next, I will show you some other details. Well, in total we have 5 touch screens. I will show you the locations. And first is this screen. This screen, we can choose language. We can press this flag, then it will be English now. So this screen is meant to control the sponge strap station. If there have any problem or adjustment for this location, you have to use this screen to control. And next, here is another touch screen. This screen is meant to control this middle section of the mask machine. It also can select language. And this screen actually have 2 screens. This side have 1, and that side has 1 more. And all the information is the same. Just why we have to take customer concern into consideration. Since in the middle part of the mask machine, you cannot easily to move to another side. So that's why we install 2 sides with 2 set screens. It's for easy operation for worker. And next, we will see this screen. This screen is meant to control this side. You can see from the folding side to branch-shaped material. This whole part controlled by this screen. So we will check this screen. Okay. So after I set the language with English, that side will be the same. And we have the alarm light on the top of the safety cover. So conclusion, the whole machine adopts 14 pieces of Shinji servo motors and 9 pieces of ultrasonics and 5 touch screens.